What you're about to see is a perfect day of fishing, down to a perfect cast, a perfect bait, and a perfect fish. Let's watch and see. Alright, I found a box of hooks. Oh yeah. Little teeny tiny hooks. It's either little tiny ones or big giant ones. Nice day. What's everybody catching out there? Well, you can just tune in here and get your fishing fix on. Don't have to go anywhere. Make you some coffee, get your munchies ready. Let's catch some fish. I'm way out here in the sticks fishing, so you don't have to. 50 miles from the ocean. Yeah, that's a good ways, right? Yep. And we're live from Green Cove Springs. Fishing paradise. It's my private pay lake. Pay river. It's a pay river. Yeah, why not? Alright, soft taco shells. Don't leave home without them. Alright. Smash them up and put them on the hook. About the size of your thumbnail. The hook and the bait's not much bigger. There we go. That was no mine. Alright, here we go. Cast it out. Oh, I like how that sinks nice and slow. You notice earlier we had the split shot on there and nothing would touch it. That's because the tide's running so slow. Oh, there's one. That didn't take long at all. Well, if that's a sunfish, it's a big one. Holy cow, it is a big one. Look at that. What a pig. Oh, God. There's a 3-pound shell cracker. Whoa. Look at that. Thing's almost 12 inches long. It's fat too. Wow. That's a fish. Whoops, self-release. With a little acrobatic twist. Oh yeah. That's why this is party boat. You just never know what you're going to catch here. What's that? 3 really nice fish. That one, for a lot of people, would have been the fish of a life.